Welcome to Real Pop English. Today's script is about daily life with my daughter.
It has 100% real American expressions. They are short and easy for beginners. Listen and repeat after us. Let's get started.
Good morning, guys. The sun's up. High schools start late now. They start at 8:30 a.m. It's better than before. We should have free time. But I'm scared every morning. What? School's late, so she sleeps late. She just won't get up. It's already morning. She's still in bed. Let's go to her room. Follow me. Look at this, guys. Is this a room? It's a total pigsty. Clothes are on the floor, like an old snake skin. Snack bags are on the desk. Half-dunk soda cans are here. Hair's rolling around. Nothing's in its place. I get a headache. But she sleeps so well. Right in this mess. It's a mystery. Olivia, wake up. Look at the clock. Wake up right now.
Oh my God, Mom! 5 more minutes! I'm so tired. Stop yelling at me!
Did you hear that? 5 more minutes. Every morning's the same. I don't want to yell. But she'll sleep till 9:30. Tardy is tardy. It goes on her record. She knows that, but she stays up all night. She's always on her phone. My heart burns. Get up now. I'm gonna make lunch. Come down in 10 minutes. And eat some breakfast. Or I'll splash water on you.
I don't want to eat breakfast! I prefer sleeping over eating.
I'm boiling eggs now. I gotta mash them. I wanted to make pot roast. Meat and veggies are healthy. But she hated it last time. She said it was smelly. The meat smells spread around. American kids stared at her. She was so annoyed. U.S. schools are sensitive to smells. So I gotta change it. I gotta please her. Today's an egg salad sandwich. No smell. Everyone likes it. Boil, peel, and mash. This is all a mother's love. Now the water bottle. It's a hydro flask. Fill it with ice. Lots of ice. Then I pour water from the Brita pitcher. Filtered water is better. Kids only like this brand. Other bottles are embarrassing. Even a bottle needs a brand. But she needs cold water. Parents want the best.
Mom, sign this form now. It's a makeup guide form. And the field trip form. 5 minutes left. Hurry.
Look at this, guys. It's always like this. I tell her to do it early, but she asks right before school. My hands have mayo on them. Too many online forums here. Everything's in English. My eyes are blurry. She's rushing me. My life gets shorter. Wash hands, type, and send. I lost my focus. Olivia, still in the bathroom? It's been 30 minutes. It's almost time to go. We're gonna be late. Come out now.
Mom, stop yelling. I'm filming a TikTok. Get ready with me. Your voice is in it now.
Look at her clothes, guys. My blood pressure's rising. It's cold today. What is that top? It's too tight and short. And those biker shorts? Too short. Are you going to a club? Change right now.
Oh my God, Mom, chill. Everyone wears this. It's the trend. It's hip. You do know teen fashion. Don't be so old-fashioned.
Trend my foot. I worry about a cold. School clothes should be neat. But she calls me old-fashioned. She didn't change. Look at the clock. We are in a hurry. School starts in 15 minutes. We're definitely late. See? I told you. Get up early, I said. Morning traffic's terrible. The school's a parking lot. Hundreds of cars are dropping off. A little late means stuck. I'm so anxious. You'll be embarrassed today. Everyone will look at you. When you open the door, I'm so ashamed. She only looks at her phone. Hey, turn down the music. Too many bad words. I'm nervous because of traffic. Turn it off now.
Mom, it's just music. Nobody cares about lyrics. The beat's good. It's only a 10-minute drive. Can't I listen to my music? You're a dictator. In this car. I can't breathe.
Dictator? I care about safety. That makes me a dictator? Bad music doesn't help. We arrived late. The bell rang 5 minutes ago. She didn't say thank you. She slammed the door. She ran inside. Only rap music's left. I wanted to cry. I held it back. Why do I live like this? I came back home. It's quiet now. I'm already exhausted. No energy at all. Her bag's on the floor. It welcomes me. But I'm the mom. I must clean. Eating cold rice with water. Quick breakfast. Now, round 2. Housework. Laundry's in the washer. Vacuum the living room. Wash the dishes. Now her room. Pick up snack bags. Make the bed neat. Wipe the desk. Open the window. Looks like a hotel room. It took over an hour. I feel good now. We fought this morning, but I still think of her. She liked a clean room. She can study better. Moms are fools. She was mean to me, but I still feel sorry. Will she know my heart? One day, school's over, we're home. She kicks off her shoes. In the middle of the hallway, she drops her bag on the floor. She goes straight to her room. The door slams. Olivia, put your shoes away neatly. Put your bag away. Bring down your lunchbox. And the water bottle. I'm doing dishes now. Do it quickly. Olivia. No answer. No footsteps. See? She ignores me. She doesn't listen. I have to get it myself. She's the boss here. I must go up now. The room is dark. She's sleeping in her school clothes. Turn on the light. Olivia, wake up! Oh my God, look at this. The sandwich is still here. She didn't eat a bite. It's still in the wrap. I worked so hard this morning. The ice in the bottles all melted. Only water is inside. What happened? My heart stops. How can you sleep now? Why didn't you eat lunch? Your sandwich is still there. Did you starve all day?
Oh my God, Mom! I'm so tired. I'm dying. Why'd you wake me up? I told you before. That box smells like eggs. Kid said, "Who farted?" It was so embarrassing. I couldn't eat it, so I only drank water. You don't care about my feelings. You just yell at me. You're so annoying.
Then you should buy pizza. Why'd you starve? I made it early in the morning. I care about your health. I changed the menu for you. You don't say thank you. You blame me?
Don't lecture me. I'm hungry and have a headache. Please leave my room. Close the door.
Fine. I'm not cleaning this up. I left the lunchbox right there, and I slammed the door. A few hours passed. It's dinner time. I open her door again. Look at this room. I cleaned it this morning. It's a mess again. In just 3 hours. Pouring water into a broken pot. I can't even speak. Olivia, come down for dinner. You skipped lunch. I made fresh pot roast and mashed potatoes. Eat meat, mashed potatoes, and veggies. Your stomach'll hurt.
I'm not eating. I'm not hungry. I'm busy with homework.
Homework? Really? You're making a TikTok. With your friend. You have an exam tomorrow. You don't study. You only play with your phone. That's why you can't wake up. That's why you're tired.
Mom, I got this. I know how to study. Why'd you come in without asking? You spy on me. You control me. Your nagging gives me stress. I'm going crazy.
I'm sitting alone. At the dinner table. She comes down quietly. She doesn't look at the table. She takes a soda from the fridge. She takes chips and instant ramen. She eats in the corner. Olivia, why eat there? Come here. Eat meat, mashed potatoes, and veggies. Why eat junk food for dinner? That's why you're always tired. Your immune system's weak.
Whatever. If I sit there, you'll lecture me. Study hard, fix your attitude. I hate it. Eating ramen alone is better. I'm going up.
It's past midnight. The lights are off. I wear my robe. I sigh. I walk up the stairs quietly. I open her door gently. She's on her phone in bed. The lunchbox is on the floor. The heavy hydro flasks there too. I bend down. I pick them up myself. I turn on the kitchen light. I wash the bottle and lunchbox. I look at the camera. I'm so tired. I got it from her room myself. I asked her this evening, bring it down. She ignored me. If I leave it, it'll smell. Mold'll grow. The anxious person cleans it. That's me. The water bottle's very heavy. The ice melted. It's full of water. I must wash it tonight and dry it. Then I can make lunch tomorrow. Mom's day doesn't end. Even at midnight. Some people might think, why nag so much? But my heart's heavy. I'm sad. I want my child to eat warm food. It's cold. I don't want her to get a cold. I want her to be on time. I want her to live a good life. It comes from love. It comes from worry. But she hears it as nagging. I'm human too. I want to yell and quit everything. Why'd I come to America? I cry alone sometimes. But I'm the mom. Tomorrow morning I'll yell again. Wake up, you'll be late. And I'll think about lunch. What can she eat without smell? I'll look inside the fridge again. All mothers are fighting. A quiet war with teens. Let's stay strong. One day she'll grow up. She'll have her own kids. She'll understand my love. And my tears.
Thank you for listening today. Please subscribe and like. Next week, Olivia's side. Why'd she do that? See you next time. Bye, guys.